Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a mug mockup in Photoshop. Open a mug photo and place it on a clean background. Then drag your logo design over the mug surface and convert it to a smart object for easy updates. Now use warp tools to align it around the mug curve. Then set the blend modes to multiply for natural branding. Add a white highlight stroke on one side for shine. Use drop shadow layer style to its visibility. Duplicate your layer and blur it slightly for light diffusion. Now adjust color using hue saturation for mug cover color variations. Then add a reflections below using a mirrored copy with opacity low.